Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and AI-generated cats pretending to be human, buckle up, because the DeepSeek rabbit hole has now reached Mariana Trench levels of deep. Last week, OpenAI took a gut punch from DeepSeek, and now they're coming back swinging with accusations of IP theft. But wait, just when you thought it couldn't get messier, another Chinese AI model just cannonballed into the scene. Welcome to the AI soap opera of the century. If you just woke up from a coma, here's what you missed. A Chinese hedge fund, yeah, you heard that right, a hedge fund, somehow built an AI that outperformed OpenAI's best efforts. And they did it on what is essentially a McDonald's Happy Meal budget of $5.5 million. Then instead of selling it for $1 gazillion, they decided to give it away for free because who needs money when you can cause maximum chaos? Big tech was shook. OpenAI, which has spent years convincing the world that AI is basically black magic requiring $500 billion space-age supercomputers, was not amused. To get things back under control, OpenAI's newest spokesperson, People Mafia OG David Sachs, just went on national TV to declare war. Their claim, DeepSeek stole OpenAI's outputs to fine-tune its models of big no-no, according to OpenAI's sacred terms of service. Now, here's where things get chef's kiss ironic. OpenAI is accusing someone else of stealing? The same OpenAI that vacuumed up the entire internet, copyrighted books, Elon's Twitter rants, and probably your grandma's Facebook posts? The same OpenAI getting sued by George R.R. Martin, who still hasn't finished Wines of Winter? The hypocrisy is so thick, you could spread it on toast. But let me let you in on a little Silicon Valley secret. Tech founders have a golden rule: do shady stuff first, ask for forgiveness later. Uber, Airbnb, Facebook, they all did it, and OpenAI is no exception. Once a company reaches too big to cancel status, they can pretty much do whatever they want. And so far, OpenAI has mostly been winning its legal battles. So did DeepSeek really steal from OpenAI? Well, the evidence so far includes some screenshots floating around the internet where DeepSeek supposedly gives responses identical to chatgpt. But here's the problem: chatgpt has been parroted across the web like a viral TikTok dance. So DeepSeek might have just picked it up naturally, like a college student absorbing Wikipedia before an exam. But then, Microsoft stepped in and said they detected someone in China siphoning massive amounts of OpenAI API data, and that someone might be DeepSeek. So basically, DeepSeek could be the Robin Hood of AI, stealing from the rich tech overlords and giving AI to the people. As if things weren't wild enough, minutes ago, Alibaba decided to crash the party by dropping Quanta.5 Max, an open-source model that supposedly beats DeepSeek, Claude, and GPT for Turbo in various benchmarks. And if that wasn't enough, yet another Chinese model, U1.5, just landed and is flexing on OpenAI's top-tier model. We've officially entered a China versus China AI arms race while the US is busy arguing over whether AI should be taxed. Meanwhile, in Europe, regulators are hard at work tackling the real technological crisis, those new bottle caps that won't come off. Of course, some people are whining that DeepSeek is overly censored. But let's be real, if you're a master prompt engineer, you can jailbreak anything. That's like complaining that your car has a speed limit while holding a brick and some duct tape. Then there's the big privacy concern. Using DeepSeek on the web means all your prompts, keystrokes, and deepest, darkest secrets are sent to China. But let's be honest, if you care about privacy, you shouldn't be using the internet. In fact, throw your phone in a river, move to the woods, and communicate via carrier pigeon. Otherwise, just run DeepSeek locally and call it a day. But the biggest takeaway from this whole AI circus: open source AI is winning. If you're watching this video for the first time, then before, which stone were you under? Quickly hit the red subscribe button and also like the video.